Yes, no, anything?
Ma'am, we have PDF in our phone.
You have PDF in our phone. Uh, all of you, you can open the PDF. Speaking section open karna hai. Speaking module.
Okay, ma'am.
If you can open, I'm trying it from here, but I don't think so. They are not showing anything in the application video. Let me see if I can share from somewhere. One are the stickers. Try to open it. And meanwhile, then I'll use the whiteboard to explain you things. That's not a problem. So today we have, as I told you, speaking module. Now speaking is, you can call it as fourth module in your IELTS exam. Everybody can see this whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, great. So speaking would be the fourth module in your IELTS exam. Do you think speaking would be conducted with your listening, reading and writing?
No.
No. So when it would be conducted generally?
A week before or a week after the listening and writing.
Great. Chalo, PDF share ho gaya hai. I suppose now you all can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. All right. So as I told you that speaking, you were correct. Speaking is always taken before your LRW exam or after the LRW exam. The time limit is basically you have 11 to 14 minutes and it would be held between the student and the exam taker. That means there is no third person in your room. It's only between the two person, that is the exam taker and the supervisor, or you can call it, exam taker or the student. That's why you call it as 101 phase. Now, speaking is held in the presence of tape recorder. Why do you think this tape recorder is used?
For evaluation purposes after the speaking.
Exactly, for evaluation purposes. That means that the speaking would be recorded in case if you're not satisfied with your scores and you go for re-evaluation, they use this tape recorder. They don't call you back for your speaking or to conduct your speaking again, but they use this tape recorder. Listening, reading, writing, we have a written proof. So they can go and reassess it back for your scores to be checked. But in that case, if you have what I can say, that the speaking में re-evaluation का thing or reassessment का, then in that case they use this tape recorder because this becomes the proof that you have given your speaking, kind of, right? There would be total 3 phases in speaking. You have phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Now phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 is organized, or you can say there is a purpose of all these 3 phases. The very first purpose is, in this case, phase 1 is basically designed, or it is oriented towards the question that is related to student, to make them more comfortable in language. तो जितनी नर्वसनेस होती है ना, वो आपकी फेज 1 में चली जाएगी, बिकॉज सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको आते ही होंगे as it is related to you. So they ask you semi personal questions there. You call it as an introduction round here. Okay. Phase 2, now it would be a judgment that at a stretch how well you can speak upon any other topic. At a stretch. At a stretch means they give you 1 minute to prepare over your cue card, and then you'll be getting 2 minutes to speak over your topic. Now it depends upon the examiner whether he wants to speak you for 2 minutes here or whether he can stop you less than 2 minutes as well. But the person will inform you after you complete your 1 minute of preparation. The exam taker or the examiner will tell that you have 2 minutes, but I can also stop you before 2. So he or she will mention this. Now, phase 3 would be, you can say it is a counter question or discussion round. Now, how spontaneous you are with your language, how well you can answer any question that is being asked, that judgment is taken in phase 3. So whatever question is being asked, it won't be related to you, but it is related to a general thing. Okay, do you think that because of vehicles there are lots of pollution created? Now you are going to give your own view. तो आप कितने स्पॉन्टेनियसली रिएक्ट कर सकते हो या आंसर कर सकते हो या उस चीज को जस्टिफाई कर सकते हो, दोस थिंग्स गोज इन फेज 3. नाउ इन दिस केस अगर आपका फेज 1 अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, राइट, यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विथ योर फेज 1, यू आर नॉट एबल टू आंसर, सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दैट यू आर गोइंग टू स्कोर 5 points. You still have phase 2 and phase 3 to have a comeback. You can still score 6 or 6.5 or whatever is the score. If you make sure that phase 1 agar mera kharab hua hai, to phase 2 or phase 3 I have to give my 100% to do it best, right? So it is always the overall score that you do. It has to be always the overall score of phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Any doubt in this? Yes, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, now phase 1, what I talked about phase 1, what do you have in phase 1?
Introduction.
Okay, you have an introduction round. In that case, when I talk about phase 1, as I told you that it would be an introduction round, it lasts for 4 to 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. अब many people think that more question I answer, I would score more bands. ऐसा नहीं होता है. किसी का पेस बहुत स्लो होता है, किसी का पेस काफी फास्ट होता है. It depends that what kind of person what kind of person we are and how we have developed our language. Okay, but अब अगर आप technically speaking ज्यादा अटक अटक के बोल रहे हो, एक simple question पूछा है, what is your hobby? And this is how you respond. My hobby is, I think. इसमें ही ज्यादा आपका 1-2 मिनट निकल जाएगा, राइट? सो आप इतने आराम से भी नहीं बोल सकते. यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्लुएंट. हाउ यू कैन बी फ्लुएंट? आई लव टू प्ले क्रिकेट as it is a good physical activity and an exercise for me and I can spend good time with my friends. कौन सा ज्यादा बेटर था, फर्स्ट और सेकंड? सेकंड, राइट? उसमें मैंने लैंग्वेज ज्यादा शो किया, मैंने अच्छे से अपने एक्टिविटी के बारे में बताया, एंड आल्सो आई स्टेटेड व्हाई आई लाइक टू डू इट. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन फेज 1. Anything that you like to do or you don't like to do, you have to always justify it in 2 or 3 sentences. It's fine in all, but do not keep on speaking in phase 1. One word answer and one sentence answer is not accepted in phase 1. Whenever you speak, it should be of at least 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, so phase 1, as I told you, it is a general introduction round. There would be 10 to 15 semi-personal questions. Now, what do you mean by this? Basically, 3 to 4 set of question होते हैं examiner के पास, right? Now, 3 to 4 set, ये जो होगा वो scripted होता है, उनको पता होता है उनको क्या पूछता है, like that. So, in that case, let's talk about hometown. So, where do you live? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा एग्जामिनर ने कैंडिडेट को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ही माइट आस्क अगेन रिलेटेड टू होम टाउन ओनली. ओके, व्हाट इट इज फेमस फॉर, वेयर इट इज सिचुएटेड और लोकेटेड, डू यू थिंक इट इज अ गुड प्लेस फॉर पीपल टू लिव? ओके, सो दिस आर द थिंग्स व्हिच इज आस्क्ड रिलेटेड टू होम टाउन. ऐसे ही 3 से 4 सेट होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन होम टाउन. इट कैन बी ऑन फूड, इट कैन बी ऑन सीजन, वेदर, एनी सच क्वेश्चंस. एंड हर एक सेट के अंदर जो सब क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो अगेन 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस होगा. So make sure that you are ready with this. That's how you can get at least how many? Yes, you can at least get 10 to 15 compulsory nahi hai that you have to speak for 10 to 15 semi-personal questions, right? It depends upon the time, how much time you have and how you are going to speak that, right? So 4 to 5 minutes mein, it depends upon the examiner how many questions he or she is asking to you. So what is the time limit you have to speak for? Time limit that you have to speak for?
20 to 25 seconds per question.
20 to 25 seconds for the question. So 20 to 25 seconds can be called as 2 to 3 sentences. Yes. 20 या 25 seconds में आप max to max 3 sentences में आंसर दे सकते हो. मिनिमम 2 सेंटेंस में आंसर दे सकते हो, बट 1 वर्ड या 1 सेंटेंस में आंसर नहीं देना है. दैट इज व्हाट यू ऑल हैव टू टेक केयर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट डू यू हैव? व्हाट डू यू हैव नेक्स्ट?
Type of questions.
Just a second. Give me a minute. What do you have in types of questions? How many types of question do you have? Yes, how many types of question do you have? Okay, total you have 11 types of question. First can be name, second is hometown, third is qualification, currently what are you doing, hobbies, family, friends, goals and aims, philosophy of your life, likes and dislikes, and strength and weaknesses. Okay, આ types of question છે. તમને જે કિટમાં મળશે એમાં એક બુક આવશે સ્કોર મોર ઇન સ્પીકિંગ કરીને. It is made by the faculties only. It is very easy because you have more number of questions, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So preparation માટે સારું book હશે એ. Make sure that you go through. I'm going to cover this many number of questions for phase 1 so that you are ready with certain things which is related to you. Okay. Now, in this case, when I talk, at times the examiner can say that, what is your name? So you speak, my name is so and so. So you have to speak your name first and then the surname. Then examiner can ask you that by what name I can call you. So આપણે કઈ creativity નહીં કરવાનું એમાં. Okay, don't say you can call me by Rock, you can call me by કઈ pet name नहीं बोलता. You can call me by my first name, that is this. Simple રાખજો, બહુ complicate नहीं करता, right? They may also ask you first question में when they initiate your speaking that introduce yourself. Introduce yourself એટલે તમે એક લાઈનમાં તો introduce ના જ કરી શકો. તમે ઇન્ટરવ્યુ આપો કે કઈ બી વસ્તુ આપો તો આપણે એક લાઈનમાં તો introduction નહીં આપતા આપણું. તો એમાં name આવી શકે છે, qualification આવી શકે છે, currently what are you doing આવી શકે છે, and you can talk about your goal and aim. So when I have to speak 2 or 3 sentences, I might pick these 4 categories to speak on. So you can pick any of the category to introduce yourself, right? Except these 2 things because this is the background of you. It will not talk about you. So આ બે વસ્તુ છોડીને તમારે જેના ઉપર જે વિષય પર બોલવું હોય તમે in short માં બોલી શકો છો, but try to phrase it in a good way. Okay, any of this except family and friends. તો introduction માટે any which ways we are going to discuss all this type of question, right? But whenever you're preparing your introduction, you have to make sure that you pick any of the category and speak for 2 or 3 sentences. એનાથી વધારે લાંબુ introduction નહીં કરવાનું. Okay? So make sure that પહેલું question જે હોય, કારણ કે જે પહેલા examiners હતા ને, એ લોકો introduction માટે પૂછતા હતા. હમણાં બંધ થયું છે. So they directly ask you your name. They don't ask you to introduce yourself. So I'm just giving you both the options in case future માં જઈને ફરી examiner એ ચાલુ કરે to introduce yourself. Please speak something about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. In that case, તમે blank ના થશો. તમારા પાસે આ બધા points છે. Make sure that you utilize those points. Clear થયું બધાને? Any doubt? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Name what I told you to speak. શું આવશે પહેલા? નામ બોલવાનું, એના પછી surname. Okay. How you can speak it? My name is, या तो you can say I am. What we should not speak is myself. Okay. Because it is called as informal language. આપણે જ્યારે જેના સાથે આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ, he is not your friend. આપણે friend કે family member સાથે informal માં વાત કરીએ છીએ. So you can call him dude, you can call him friend, no. But this is a kind of an interview 101 that you're giving. So what you have to take care that you can speak my name is or I am, right? By what name should I call you? कौन answer करसे आ? By what name should I call you? 17ME034. Yes. Please answer it. By what name should I call you?
You call me Ritesh. First name Ritesh.
You can call me by my name, that is Ritesh. Okay?
Yes.
Great. Next person will answer 17ME405.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Can you please answer me the next one? That is, what is the meaning of your name? What is
My
the
name is
meaning
Bhavya.
of your
Okay. My name is Bhavya, which generally means glorious.
Okay. Very good. Next is 18CE326.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Could you please answer me the next question? Does the name suit to your personality? આમાં બોલતા ટાઈમે પહેલા meaning કહેજે, પછી કહેજે કે whether it suits or not.
Okay. The meaning of my name Manish is a god of the mind, and I think it is suitable for me.
Okay. Why it is suitable for you?
It is suitable for me because of I'm thinking I'm able to do something and something like that.
Okay. Not bad. Very good. मेरे expectation से आपके आंसर काफी अच्छा है, because here generally those who are coming offline, they are not able to answer these things. Very good. Well answered, right? So you don't have a perfect answer for anything, guys. The main motive is कि તમે English માં answer કરો, એનાથી જ band વધારે મળશે, બીજું કશું જ નહીં આની અંદર, right? Now the next person, who gave it to you? Please, anybody can unmute and speak. Who gave this name to you? 18CP010.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who gave this name to you?
My mother gave this name to me.
Bus, exactly. Okay. So Emma, again, we don't need to be creative. And એવું નહીં બોલતા કે pattern, ફોઈ કે એ બધું નહીં આવે આમાં, right? ને તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે મને ખબર નહીં ઇંગ્લિશમાં ફોઈને શું કહેવાનું, તો તમે થોડું બ્લફ કરી શકો છો. એ ફોન કરીને ચેક નથી કરવાનો કે સાચું મેં આ છે કે નથી, right? So you can simply say that this name is given by my mother, this name is given by my father. Okay, મમ્મીની સાઈડમાં કોઈ હોય, from mummy, your mother's side, you can say maternal. Maternal, how do you spell that? It's MATER. Maternal aunt કહેવાય, એમાં બધા આવી જાય. હા, and father ની સાઈડ થી કોઈ હોય ને તો એ વસ્તુને paternal કહેવાય, paternal uncle, something like that. Okay, clear થયો આ બે vocabulary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, great. Next, what do we have? Hometown. Next is hometown. Now, what do you speak about your hometown? Yes, what do you speak about your hometown? બે થી ત્રણ સેન્ટેન્સમાં બોલવાનું છે, right? So in terms of hometown, you say, I live in Anand, which is situated between Ahmedabad and Vadodara. It is famous for Amul Dairy as well as it is known for educational hub. વધારે સારું લાગ્યું, right? તો તમે જઈ બી રહો છો, even if it is a village or anything, speak the name, where it is situated and what it is famous for. ના બી famous હોય તો બનાઈ દેવાનું, એ check નથી કરવાનું, right? But at least have a content to speak. Clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you don't want to talk on situated or famous and all such things, you have environment to talk on. The environment of Anand is very pleasant. Anand ही नहीं, તમારે જે બી જગ્યાનું બોલવું હોય, pleasant can be a keyword to talk about an environment, right? People are very helpful, and there are many sources of entertainment where people can enjoy their time with their friends and family, such as playground, gardens, parks. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? Types of infrastructure bolu hoy, you can say there are modes of transportation, highways that has been built to connect the to have a good road connectivity. You can talk about the industries, commercial complex, એ બધું infrastructure માં આવે. Types of people એટલે તમારે એક category ને blame નહીં કરવાનું કે એના ઉપર નહીં બોલવાનું that mostly I have seen this. No, there are number of religions or different religions staying together in Anand, so one can experience various cultures and traditions in them, right? So whenever you frame your sentence for speaking hometown, you can say I come from, I live in, I reside in, I dwell in, ya to I hail from. What you should not speak is I belong to. That is wrong. Ani bolvano. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean
Yes,
by I
ma'am.
belong to? Why we should not use that? Why we should not use I belong to? એનું મતલબ શું કહેવાય? કશું જ નહીં. Belong to એટલે શું કહેવાય? This phone belongs to me. Phone તમારો છે. એવી રીતે આપણે આનંદ માટે કહીએ that Anand belongs to me or I belong to Anand. આનંદ આપણું નહીં થઈ શકે, right? So એ grammatically wrong થશે. તો આ જે keywords છે તમારે એ use કરવાનો. Okay, next we have qualification.
Hello,
Yes?
ma'am. Can we use I belong from Anand?
No, belong word is wrong only. Belong is आप completely आनंद के हो या आनंद completely आपका है. आप रहते हो आनंद में. So reside आता है. You live, you speak those words to speak about where do you live, like that. Belong cannot be used. Or you can say I have born and I have brought up in Anand, like that. Yes, have I answered to your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, talking about the qualification, you have to speak about the last qualification that you have completed first of all. So, for example, if you say that I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from the Department of Commerce and it is affiliated to Sardar Patel University, okay? If you have not saying that, you can say that I am pursuing. अगर आपने complete नहीं किया है, आप अभी पढ़ रहे हो, तो what you will say that I am pursuing my Masters of Commerce from so and so college and affiliated to so and so university, right? But first you have to speak that what you have completed, and if you're doing something to whatever you're doing right now. Clear है? तो ये सारी चीजें आपको ऐसी बोलनी है. In case examiner might ask you that currently what are you doing? So can I say currently I am free? कितना इंग्लिश आया इसमें? Currently I am free बोल के कुछ भी नहीं, right? No point you're giving them to judge you that you have a good language. Okay, you cannot even speak that currently I'm doing IELTS classes from Kanan International. એ બી ના કહેવાય. That doesn't make any sense. તમે already examination માં બેસી ગયા છો તો તમે IELTS વચ્ચે લાવી જ નહીં શકો, right? So you can say that currently I'm studying આ તો મેં તમને કીધું that I have completed my bachelor's and recently I'm pursuing my master's in the same field from so and so college. તમારે સ્ટડી થી રિલેટેડ ના બોલવું હોય તો તમે વર્કિંગ ના ઉપર કહી શકો છો that I have completed my bachelor's and recently I'm working with so and so company as an internship of 6 months to gain certain experience and to have a good skill, right? Or you can speak any other activity that as I have completed my bachelor's of commerce or whatever it is, now I have a vacation, so I'm spending most of the time with my friends and family, and I have joined so and so classes, maybe yoga classes, or you can talk about singing, or you're trying to follow your passion, any such thing. आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, but except saying that I'm doing IELTS or except saying that I'm free, ये दो चीज नहीं बोलना बस, because it will not give you content to speak and it doesn't make any sense, right? Any doubt here? Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hobbies मैं already બોલીને બતાવ છે. એવું નહીં કહેતા હા કે my hobbies is that I like to read book. So if she asks, yes, what book do you like to read and why do you like to read books? So you say, yes, I to like it very much. I read 10 books a day. He is not a fool. તમારું જે બી એક્ઝામિનર હશે એક ઇન્ડિયન જ હશે. તો વધારે પડતા બી નહીં બોલવાનું. તમે hobbies ને simple રાખજો. Right? Speak only one or two hobbies that you do or know about it. Hobby બોલે એ લોકો HOBBY hobby એટલે હું એક hobby બોલીને આન્સર પતાઈ દઈશ. But hobbies આવે તો at least મારે બે mention કરવા પડશે. Right? So I can say that my interest is to play cricket and I love to listen to music. Because playing cricket will help me to develop my physical body, or you can say give me a good exercise, as well as when I listen to music I get refreshment and I also get positive vibe to carry out daily work in my routine. Clear thayo badane? If it is only the hobby, you can say in my free time I like to play the indoor activity, that is chess, with my family and friends, because it also provides me good mental, you can say it helps to develop the mental and physical ability, right? Mental ability એટલે mind game નહીં કહેતા હા, please એ local language છે આપણો. Mind game ના કહેવાય. કઈ બી વસ્તુનું એબિલિટી ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરે તો એ ફિઝિકલ એબિલિટી કહેવાય કાં તો મેન્ટલ એબિલિટી કહેવાય. સો પ્લીઝ ટેક કેર ઓફ ધી વર્ડ્સ ધેટ યુ આર યુઝિંગ. Next vocabulary you can also use as a leisure activity. I like to play cricket. In my spare time, I love to play cricket. To kill my time, I play cricket. So these are the similar words that you can use for hobby. Either you use it, or in case if examiner uses it, you should know that this is regarding the hobby he is trying to ask you. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then family. So they might ask you that do you live in a joint family or a nuclear family? Joint family ne similar words ma extended bhi kehvaye. Now I can say that I live in a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family. My father, who is a businessman, my mother, she is a homemaker, and I have 2 siblings, elder sister and a younger brother. Clear thayo? Third person માં બોલવાનું હોય because આ જગ્યાએ મેં એવું નહીં કીધું that we are 5 members. We એટલે શું થયું? Second person થયું. તમે we, us, our, you આ બધું use કરશો ને તો that would include your examiner. Right? So I should try to avoid using this second person. Third person માં બોલવાનું. Same way with your friends. Right? So when you speak about your friend, you speak only 1 or 2 best friend ka name, his or her name. So you can say that my best friend name is this. He is very polite and kind in nature. He is my friend from my childhood. Whenever I see him or whenever I meet him, I like to go out with him to watch movies in theaters, and I also like to go for a long drive. I love his company. Clear thayo badane?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just try to speak in third person. Don't speak in second person, right? Next is goal and aim. Examiner ને meaning ખબર છે? આપણે meaning proper યાદ રાખીએ એના માટે આ word લખ્યા છે. So don't speak that my short term goal is this and long term aim is this. That is wrong. Okay. My goal is to move abroad for my further education so that I can achieve my aim by becoming an engineer, by becoming a doctor, or by becoming an, if you want to do any kind of technical or scientist, anything that you want to become will be your aim. And whatever you're doing right now to achieve your aim will be your goal. So make sure that in your answer it should be said in such a way. Different thau જોઈએ, similar na thau જોઈએ. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma-
Next.
Madam, please,
Yes.
can you please repeat one time, please?
I can. Goal is short term and aim is long term. So what you're going to speak in goal is, my goal is that I'm going to study further in abroad, in foreign universities, in so and so field, જે બી તમારી field છે એ. કેમ એમાં ભણવાનું છે? So that I can achieve my aim by becoming an entrepreneur, કાં તો businessman, or by practicing in field as an engineer, or by practicing as a doctor, જે બી છે. So what you're going to become is called as what? That would be what?
Aim.
Aim. And what you'll be doing right now is your goal.
Goal.
Clear? જે હમણાં તમે કરો છો એ goal કહેવાય because એ short term હોય. આખી જિંદગી તો આપણે ભણવાના નથી, right? તો એ વસ્તુ short term કહેવાય. જે તમે બનશો એને long term કહેવાય. તો that is your aim. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is philosophy of your life. Philosophy નું મતલબ belief કહેવાય. તમે તમારી લાઈફમાં શું believe કરીને ચાલો છો? શું લઈને ચાલો છો એવી રીતે. So let's say that I believe in leave and let leave. Because I'm an introvert person, I don't like anybody to interfere in my life and work, and I expect I do the same for them. Clear થયો? તો મેં એક ફિલોસોફી ઉઠાઈ ને એને મેં એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું કે આને હું કેવી રીતે ફોલો કરું છું. તો કોઈ તમને જજ નથી કરવાનું except your English. So kindly don't hesitate to speak anything that comes in your mind. You can also say that I believe in try till you succeed. That is my philosophy of life, because I never give up until and unless I get succeeded in any work that I do. Clear thayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the list. તમારું કઈ હશે તો તમે એ બી યુઝ કરી શકો છો. આમાંથી કઈ ગમતું હોય તો તમે એ બી રેડી કરીને રાખી શકો છો. ઓકે. નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ લાઇક્સ એન્ડ ડિસલાઇક્સ. હવે લાઇક્સ એન્ડ ડિસલાઇક્સ કઈ બી હોઈ શકે છે. what types of food do you like to eat? ફૂડ ને ક્યુઝિન બી કહેવાય. ક્યુઝિન એટલે મેક્સિકન, ઇટાલિયન, ઇન્ડિયન, ચાઇનીઝ, આ બધા ક્યુઝિન કહેવાય. What was your favorite subject during your school days? So subject upar. Which clothes do you like to wear during the occasion, whether it is Western clothes or traditional? Do you like to keep, which animal would you like to keep as a pet? Which is your favorite season? Which color do you like to wear? So આવી રીતે likes and dislikes પૂછાય છે. You have to just take care that you name but also state why do you like it. ખાસ કરીને ફૂડ પર ખ્યાલ રાખજો, because જે બી ટર્મ તમે યુઝ કરો that should be of English. For example, you cannot say ઢોકલા in ખમણ. English words થવો જોઈએ. So if they say that what type of food do you like to eat, speak that I love to eat junk food, which is burger and a French fries. આ તમે બોલતા ફાવશે. It is easy to speak. If you say that I love to eat traditional food, that is steamed rice, dal, what you call a curry. Okay, તે જે તમે સબ્જી કહો એ સબ્જી ના કહેવાય, that is vegetable curry. Okay, ચપાતી ને ઇંગ્લિશ માં tortillas કહેવાય કા તો flat bread કહેવાય. Pickle, with a pickle, એવું એમાં પાપડ વાપડ નહીં લાજો, છાશ નહીં આવે. So all these things, whichever English term છે એ જ બોલવાનું on a safer side, so that તમને vocabulary ના bands મળે. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just એટલું ખ્યાલ રાખજો. And cuisine ઉપર આવે તો ઇટાલિયન માં pizza કહેવાશે. ચાઇનીઝ માં you can speak about noodles. તો તમને એ બધું બોલતા ફાવશે કારણ કે એમાં sauces હોય, green chili હોય. So whenever you speak about a food, that why you like to eat it, you can say that I love to eat it because it is spicy, mouth-watering dish and very delicious. આ ત્રણ વર્ડ્સમાં મારું આન્સર પતી જશે. ક્લિયર થયો? So make sure that you're prepared with this. Next is strength and weaknesses. So strength નું મતલબ શું થયું? What are you good at? If you're good at communication, you'll speak that. Okay, if you're good at, let's say, making friends, you can speak that. But weakness cannot be negative. Weakness means I get angry and I try to break things. આ તમે ડરાવ છો એને, એવું નહીં કહેવાનું, right? Weakness can be that I'm very sensitive person, I'm emotional person. Okay, આ બધા તમારું weakness થઈ શકે છે. ક્લિયર થયું બધાને? હવે કઈ ડાઉટ? Yes or no? Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Initially, I already told you that examiner can ask you to introduce yourself, or he can say, tell me something about yourself, or you need to speak some. Whenever he speaks like this, you need to try to speak something interesting about you. તો આટલા બધા જે points આપણે cover કર્યા છે, એમાંથી 2 કે 3 points ઉપર બોલી દેવાનું. But in case એ આ નહીં પૂછે, તો એ simply પૂછશે that what is your name and by what name I can call you. તો please listen to the question and respond accordingly. એવું ના થવું જોઈએ કે એને એવું પૂછ્યું what is your name and તમે તમારું चालू करी दो कैसे, that my name is this, I live here, my qualification is this, currently I am doing this. એને ખબર પડી જશે that you are well prepared. Okay, just try that you don't do all those things. Clear? Any doubt?
Okay.
Shall we move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next is phase 2. Phase 2 માં શું થાય? It would be of 3 to 4 minutes, right? Which is the cue card round. As you're not allowed to carry your watch, your mobile phone, any such thing. Examination માં તમારે passport લઈ જવાનું. Passport સાથે જે confirmation email આવશે ને, એ લઈ જવાનું, એનું print. બીજું કશું બી allowed નથી examination ની hall માં, right? Now, એમાં જે બી ટોપિક ને સબ ક્વેશ્ચન તમને આપ્યા હશે, પ્રિપેરેશન માટે પેપર એન્ડ પેન્સિલ એ લોક પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે. સ્પીકિંગ ની કેસમાં વાત કરું છું. હા, લિસનિંગ રીડિંગ રાઇટિંગમાં બસ સ્ટેશનરી અલાઉડ છે, બીજું કશું નહીં. સ્ટેશનરી એટલે તમારું પેન્સિલ અને ઇરેઝર, ધેટ્સ ઇટ. ઓકે, બટ લિસનિંગ રીડિંગ રાઇટિંગ ની કેસમાં, સ્પીકિંગ ની કેસમાં એ લોકો પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે ડ્યુરિંગ ધી એક્ઝામ. તો એ લોકો કહેશે that this is your cue card topic, right? Do not scribble anything in the book. This is your paper and pencil. Kindly prepare for 1 minute. And એ લોકો timer ચાલુ કરી દેશે, right? So 1 minute is given to prepare. 2 minutes would be given to speak. It can be less than that, but it would be dependent on examiner and how you're speaking. Try to speak in sequence. Compulsory નથી to speak in sequence, but sequence માં બોલો તો તમને ખ્યાલ હશે કે કયા ક્વેશ્ચન પર તમે આન્સર કરી લીધા છે ને કઈ ક્વેશ્ચન બાકી છે આન્સર કરવાના. એટલે સિક્વન્સમાં બોલવાનું આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે ઇટ્સ બેટર ટુ સ્પીક ઇન સિક્વન્સ. જે બી સબ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન હશે ને એ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કહેવાય, બીકોઝ 2 મિનિટની અંદર અંદર એ આન્સર થવું જ જોઈએ. And take care of tenses. Cue card જે ટેન્સ માં હોય એ જ ટેન્સ માં તમારું આન્સર આવશે. ક્લિયર?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the cue card. Describe the gift that you have received. You have received એટલે past tense થયો, intermediate past or past tense? Immediate past થયું ને? So I will speak in past tense. Right? These
Yes,
are the sub question. What was the gift? When was it given? Who gave it to you? Why is it special? Right? Yes or no? So these are your sub questions. That means whenever you're speaking, make sure that your last question is answered. એટલું તમારે ખ્યાલ રાખવાનું. So I'm giving you all 2 minutes to prepare over this topic. Please start preparing. Question દેખાય છે, I suppose, right? Can you see the question?
Yes.
Okay, start preparing. Type it in the chat box when you're done. Yes, it is necessary for speak for 2 minutes. It is necessary to have the content of 2 minutes. It depends upon the examiner whether he might ask you to stop at 1 minute 30 seconds, 1 minute 15 seconds. It depends कि आप कितना अच्छे से बोल रहे हो and आपने कितने अच्छे से respond किया है क्वेश्चन को, उस हिसाब से वो डिसीजन लेंगे. Like that. Okay. If I can ask all of you, अभी तक कोई email नहीं आया है for writing task 2, it is still remaining to write? Everyone? Writing task 2 जो कल task दिया था, is it remaining to write? If you don't want to speak, you can just write it down. How many are left still to write the writing task 2? Yesterday's task. All of you? Acha, 3. What about rest? Done with the preparation now? Please make sure that before 6 evening you submit your writing task to guys, everyone. तो मंडे સુધી તમને કરેક્શન કરીને મળી જાય. Monday evening, right? Monday evening or probably Tuesday morning. ત્યાં સુધી મળી જશે. Now I would like 17ME034. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, prepare થઈ ગયું બેટા?
હા, try
Try જ કરવાનું, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Okay? So I'll be playing the timer of 2 minutes. Just try to speak. Okay, your time starts now.
First of all, I would like to thank you for this topic. The best gift that I have ever received is a bullet bike that my mother bought me on my 19th birthday. I was college student at that time, and my parents celebrated birthday at home. Few friends and relatives were invited my home. It was a kind of family celebration, and I was absent. I was quite thrilled to open the gift box that my friend and family given to me, and there was some watches, chocolates, and other gift item. Out of this, the bullet bike was something truly amazing. This I received it when I reached my home. Reached my home, and I was surprised the gift box from my mother.
Okay. For the first attempt, not bad. You spoke for 1 minute 36 seconds. Not bad attempt at all, right? Rest I'll teach you how you can increase your content. Okay, good one. Next, yes, you can speak. Jay, you can speak. You're prepared, right? Yes.
So first of all, to thank you for this topic. So the best gift that I have ever received in my life is the Armani limited edition watch that was of gold, that had a golden dial and black straps. I received it on my 18th birthday, and that was in 2018. We had a party going on at farmhouse. So the gift that was given to me was given by my best friend. His name is Ayush, and we were school friends. We also had a college going on together. So why it means special is that because me and Ayush are best friends since 10 years, and we share a great bond. So that is the reason that this gift means so much to me, and it has been one of the best gifts till date.
Okay, Jay, that's all.
Yes.
That was the content of 56 seconds, Jay. 1 minute to cross karo. Koi baat nahi. Okay, but for the first attempt, good, not bad at all. Now 17 ME405.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start your content, beta.
The gift that I received was a bicycle. The bicycle I received when I was around 10 years old. The gift was given by my father. He really surprised me by giving the gift because I never demanded for the bicycle. My brother and I, we both received bicycles from my father. It is very special to me because I have lots of memories of my father teaching me how to ride bicycles, and me and my brother riding the bicycles from home to park and from home to school. And
That's all.
uh,
It is less than 1 minute again. Koi baat nahi, but good attempt. Okay, next 18 CE326.
Madam, I haven't completed anything yet.
Any preparation or you're talking about speaking?
No, madam, I haven't any preparation till now.
Preparation like cue card is remaining to be prepared?
नहीं मैडम, मैं 3 दिन से बाहर था तो मैंने कल का लेक्चर भी अटेंड नहीं किया था।
ओके, पर अभी तो आपने स्पीकिंग अटेंड किया या वो भी नहीं किया है?
नहीं किया है मैडम।
Okay. So what you were doing while I was explaining? You came in the middle of the lecture or something? Phase 2 आपने देखा ही नहीं जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है?
नहीं मैडम।
Okay, like this I don't think so it would be helpful, so please refer the notes and let me know. But અત્યારે આના ઉપર prepare તો કરો, તમારે બસ બોલવાનું છે ને gift ઉપર.
યસ મેડમ, મને હમણાં જ ખબર પડી કે આ ટોપિક છે. ખબર નહીં, હજુ ડિટેલમાં ખબર નથી કે ટોપિકમાં શું શું છે એવું તો.
Okay, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Okay, next person 18CP010.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start.
First of all, thank you for giving this topic. The best gift I received is when I scored with 80% in 10th standard. My parents bought me a Android phone. I never asked it for it, and they surprised me with a phone, and it is very special for me because it reminds me love and care of my parents.
Okay, again it is less than 1 minute. It is not the 2 minutes ka content, but koi baat nahi. A good attempt again. Next, can I have 18EL010?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start.
I appreciate, yeah, I appreciate the topic you gave to me. The gift I received was a pair of earrings. I was overwhelmed when I received such beautiful earrings. I received it from my mother on my 20th birthday. It is very special to me as it reminds me of my mother whenever I wear it, and I feel her love and care whenever I see those earrings. Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
20 seconds. Okay, next 18ME403. 18ME403.
Hello.
Yes. You may start with your cue card, please.
First of all, thank you for the topic. My last gift I received, it was Apache RTR 160. It was given on my 19th birthday. My father gave it to me. It was totally surprising moment of my life because I never demanded for it.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
18 seconds. Okay, Pachi, next 19CP307.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start your content.
Yes, ma'am. The best gift I ever received, it is a pen which is given by my sister on my first paper of the 10th exam, and it is special for me because she is not here at that time, and I have only that pen she given me.
Okay, again 20 seconds. Thank you, not a problem. Yes, the thing is what you have to do is you can prepare it in point method. So you can just mark a bullet points and you write the words, whatever you want to say. So for example, the gift, so I can write mobile phone. And when was it given? So I can say 20th birthday party, whatever it is. Then who gave it to you? I can use the term here that father. I can write that term. Now, next, why is it so special? I will write not expected. So if I have already the story in my mind, in that case, this is the thing that I can do because I'm good with the story. तो मुझे problem नहीं होगा. This is what you call basically one method which you call a point method. So you just prepare your points and you speak over it. The second method that you have is cloud method. Now, even to organize your story, this cloud method always helps you. So cloud method is where you also include the story to write. So what do you do in cloud method? You have to make a cloud. In 1 minute, I just keep on writing mobile phone and I'll just write the term gift because that is the keyword of my sentence. I hope everybody can see what I'm doing here. Now, in this case, gift is the keyword. What you're going to do is you can take your 30 or 20 seconds to describe the gift. What is gift? Now, I would speak here a general information on gift. That gift is a thing which is given to near and dear ones to show their love and affection or to make them smile. So I'm speaking it in a sentence, but here I am writing it words. So to show the love and affection and to make them smile. Gift can be given in many occasions. So iske andar I will just write the term occasions so that I know that this is the thing I have to include in this. So gift is a thing which is given in many occasions. That is birthday parties, marriage ceremonies, and to celebrate or to have certain kind of moment where the gift means a lot for that person. I remembered the gift that I received during my 20th birthday party, which was a surprise birthday party, and it was arranged by my family and my friends. The arrangement was very awesome that they have done. They did during my birthday party. They got a cake for me of my favorite flavor. My mother, she cooked the food that I like to eat. There was a DJ they arranged so that everybody can dance and they can enjoy my birthday party. The cake that they bought for me was delicious again. There was a cake cutting. After cutting the cake, I started receiving gifts from my friends and family. At that time, I noticed, okay, my father coming towards me, he was carrying a box which was nicely wrapped in a decorative paper. He insisted me to open his gift first. So when I opened that gift, I found the mobile phone, and it was very shocking for me as I got the iPhone model. This iPhone company is very popular with the mobile phones. It is expensive though, but it has a very good security purpose. What I'm trying to do here, guys, everyone, what I'm trying to do. Yes, I talked about the
Describing the
gift.
gift.
Now I'm coming to the main point. All the 4 points considered. Why it is special? अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ end में. I reached till here. My father gave this gift. Now I'm trying to describe the gift. So it is the expensive phone, but it has a very good security system. It has so and so RAM. It is a very good at. It is having a very good camera features, right? I can surf anything on this mobile phone. It is of lightweight. This gift became a very special for me because I was trying to purchase this phone from my pocket money, and I never thought that before me, my father will gift it to me. Once I started operating this phone, on the same day, I clicked pictures with my father, and I also captured the moment of my birthday parties for my memories. And yes, the day spent well. I was very overwhelmed and I was happy when I received this gift. So this is how you draw your story and you try to speak. Sorry for the scribble that I have did, but this is how I have to make you understand. Either you go with the point method if you're very clear with your ideas, what you have to speak, or you go with the cloud method where you can speak or you can draw your story so that it will help you to speak. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can never directly speak about the topic. जो आप लोग बोल रहे थे ना, thank you for the topic and this and everything. It is not a bad start, but it is always better to start when you talk about the general thing about the topic. So always start with the general information. वो आपको थोड़ा content देगा. For example, अगर describe festival हुआ that you like, so you can say that festival is a thing which is very important in Indian culture. As India is a diverse country, there are many festivals that are celebrated. ખબર પડી? તો 2 થી 3 સેન્ટેન્સમાં ટોપિક ઉપર જનરલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી દો, કઈ વસ્તુ જનરલી કહી દો, પછી તમારા મેઇન ટોપિક પર આવો. So there are two things that you do. આનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લેજો જે બી છે, if you can remember it, but make sure that this is how you have to prepare. So there are two methods, point method and cloud method. Clear? Yes? Any doubt? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So if you try to speak it in a story, તો જ તમને content 2 મિનિટનું મળશે. તમે સ્ટોરીની જેમ ના લો, exact data આપશો. You have to try to speak in depth. તો એટલું ખ્યાલ રાખજો and you'll be able to do it. Okay? Now, coming back to our phase 2 ka thing, I told you about two methods, that is point method and cloud method. So do not jump to the topic and speak an introduction. As I told you, the general introduction about the topic of 2 to 3 sentences. Now, if the examiner stops you in between, એનું મતલબ શું થયો? તમારે ઝઘડવાનું નથી થઈ કે કેમ મારું 2 મિનિટ તો થયો નહીં. નો, એ સ્ટોપ કરે છે 2 મિનિટ પહેલા કે જલ્દી જે બી છે, that means he or she has judged you. But in this case, if the examiner does not stop you and tamaru content pati jai, so you have completed everything and yet the examiner is not stopping you, then you can also speak or increase your content by speaking an example of it. So example તમે આપી શકો છો કે આવી જ રીતે my mother also gifted me during my 19th birthday. So for example, she thought to do this for me. એવી રીતે. So you can talk about the example if you think that your content is completed and the examiner is not asking you to stop. Clear, everyone? Yes, is it clear? Okay. Now we have phase 3. Phase 3 will last for 4 to 5 minutes. Now, minimum to maximum, you have 7 to 8 questions to be answered, but again, it depends upon the examiner. In case તમને phase 2 માં જલ્દી stop કરી દે છે, તો questions phase 3 માં કદાચ થઈ શકે કે વધારે થાય. In case તમને 2 minutes બોલવા દે છે, that means questions can be less. So you cannot predict कि કેટલું question ને answer કરવાના છે, but make sure कि જે બી question એ પૂછે તમે answer કરો જ. If you're not answering it, that means it might go with getting affecting your bands. Now phase 3 is a kind of a counter question from phase 1 and phase 2, or it can be any type of question that can be asked. Now you have to describe a bit more about what has been asked. As I told you कि આ જે question હોય છે એ કાં તો general question હશે, કાં તો opinion based question હોય છે, કાં તો recommendation based હશે. So in this case, just make sure that you try to answer little bit more. Phase 1 માં આપણે થોડું answer એકદમ short भी नहीं આપતા था, but 2 થી 3 sentence આપતા था. But phase 3 ની કેસમાં it is 35 to 40 seconds. That means at least you have to give answers in at least 4 sentences. At least 4 sentences, double of phase 1. This is the first question. On what occasions in your culture gifts are given? Who will answer this? On what occasion gifts are given? Yes. On what occasion gifts are given? Chalo, please tell me. Who will speak on what occasion gifts are given? 17ME034.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me better on what occasion gifts are given. Hmm? As India is known for its diverse culture and tradition, there are many occasions in which gifts are given. આપણે એક occasion બોલવાનું question પ્રમાણે કે બે આવશે એકથી વધારે? એક આવશે occasions વધારે.
Occasion
Plural,
વધારે એક.
right? So at least you have to speak to festival, right? You can say there are many occasions when gifts are given, such as during the festival, right? Birthday parties, marriages, and so things, right? So talking about the marriage and the talking about the festival and the birthday parties, festivals especially like Diwali, which is a big festival for Hindu religion, or it is celebrated by everybody. They try to share their gifts with the younger as well as the elder people, because it helps them to create a good bond between them and good relation between them. The occasions like birthday parties, in which a person who is having their birthday, everybody try to celebrate it by providing him or her gifts to show the love and affection. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? So it is at least 4 sentences થી મેં વધારે જ explain કર્યો. Okay. Now, what is more exciting to you, giving or receiving gifts? જરૂરી નથી મારે એક જ ઉપર બોલવાનું છે. એક પર content ના મળતું હોય તો બંને બોલી શકો છો. For me, giving gifts is, you can say, exciting, because I like to choose the gift for a person. And whenever it is my friend, if I take an example, I always try to give him or her a gift which is required and it can be used by the person. Meanwhile, I also like to receive the gifts, because it also makes me feel special whenever I receive gifts from my friends and family. Getting it? At least 4 sentences. Last one, कौन try करसे हवे? Should arts and music be included in secondary school? Yes. Should arts and music (18EL010)
Yes.
Yes.
Many people have their hobbies related to arts and music. So, uh, generally in school, uh, only some subjects um, are being included. So, arts and music should be included so that uh, every student can learn about it.
Not a problem.
And explore more.
Yes, exactly. Okay. તો ક્યારે બી બોલવા જાઓ તો બીવાનું નથી, જે બી આવે ને ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ યા ફર્સ્ટ આઈડિયા જે બી સ્ટ્રાઇક થાય એ બોલી દેવાનું. Good attempt. Okay. I hope you people are again clear with phase 3 that how long you have to answer. So it should be a little bit long answer in case of your phase 3, right? Let me go with the next. What else you can do in phase 3, or what is allowed in phase 3? Now, if you have not heard a question, or maybe તમને થોડું a second time જોઈએ ideas લાવવા માટે, You can ask the question to repeat it. તમે એવું કહી શકો છો, could you please repeat the question, or ma'am can you please repeat the question. But તમે એકવાર બોલવાનું ચાલુ કરી દો ને આન્સર, તો તમે આ રિપીટ ક્વેશ્ચન કરવાનું નહીં કહેતા. તમે ઓલરેડી આન્સર બોલવાનું ચાલુ કરી દો ને વચ્ચે રોકાઈને તમે એવું કહો કે મેડમ રિપીટ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન, તો એમાં બેન્ચ પર અફેક્ટ થશે. ઓકે, in case if you don't know the meaning of the word, કઈ એવા વર્ડ છે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જે તમને નહીં ખબર પડતી, you can say, just say that I am sorry, could you please tell me, or could you please explain me the meaning of this word, like that. But when you do this thing, it should be done only once or twice. તમે દર ટાઈમ કરશો તો એમને એવું લાગશે કે this is your strategy for answering the question, so એ accept ના થાય. Clear with this, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, assessment criteria, where I told you that you have a 4 factors, that is grammatical range and accuracy, which would be of 25%. Coherence and fluency. When you speak, your grammar should be accurate. Coherence means it should not be Fluency means you should not take pause, એટલે વિચારી વિચારીને નહીં બોલવાનું. જ્યારે તમે બોલવાનું ચાલુ કરો તો સડન તમારા સેન્ટેન્સીસ આવવાનું ચાલુ થવું જ જોઈએ, અટકવાનું નહીં બહુ, રાઈટ? 25% એનું વેટેજ છે. લેક્સિકલ રિસોર્સિસ નું મતલબ થયો વોકેબ્યુલરી. તો હાઈ-ફાઈ વર્ડ્સ તો નહીં, બટ જે બી ટોપિક છે, ફેસ્ટિવલ હોય તો કલ્ચર ટ્રેડિશન બોલાય, તો related topic જોઈશે, right? 25% of the weightage. And then pronunciation, so that is again 25%. Clear with this? तो स का श नहीं होना चाहिए, फ का फ नहीं होना चाहिए, like that you have to take care. Any doubt in speaking module now? Any doubt in speaking module?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll be moving on to listening part. I can request you just play that audio, તમારા answers correct કરી લો, audio play કરીને.
Ma'am,
હા.
in phase 2, when a cue card is given, so when we write points or we make loud, so yeah, while speaking, in between, can
You
we
can see.
refer to?
Yes, yes, you can see.
Can
એ
we
સામે
refer
જ મૂકવાનું. હા, હા.
Okay.
એ સામે જ મૂકવાનું, but continuously નીચે નહીં જોતી, હા. પેલું eye interaction બી થવો જોઈએ. Like when you see, એકવાર નજર મારી લેવાનું તરત. And then you have to look
Okay.
forward and speak. એટલું ખ્યાલ રાખજે, right? Okay, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody want to ask anything regarding speaking or any of the module? Okay, fine. So please listening તમે correct કરી લો. I'll be giving you 2 or 3 minutes. I think everybody have solved it. તો listening માં જે છેલ્લે audio ની end માં તમને મળશે, એમાં please answers mark કરી લો. ચેક કરીને થઈ જાય તો પ્લીઝ મને મેસેજ કરી દેજો એકવાર.
In this section, you will hear
Okay, rest of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you listen this audio? Please confirm it. Yes?
No.
Audio नहीं
No,
समझ
ma'am.
आते हुए?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. That case, let me see. Okay, I'm sharing it again. Just let me know. Now, you're able to listen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Still no? Then there is a problem with the sharing thing here. Okay. Hmm.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can complete this topic.
You can help me. Yes. What should I do?
Ma'am, click on the share button again.
Okay, I'll stop sharing now. I'm sharing it again. Share tray. Desktop window, right?
Yes.
I did the same and Chrome tab. And I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
made this listening test 2 का जो भी Chrome में खुला है वो, and I'm sharing it, but still that voice is not audible to everyone.
Yes. Now on the MS Teams screen,
Sorry?
we will be able to. Ma'am, go to the MS Teams tab. Go to the MS Teams tab.
MS Teams tab, yes.
Yes. And there you will be able to see a menu bar of, I guess, in the rightmost corner.
Yes,
There must be.
yes, it is there. Huh?
Yes, click on it.
I have that bar, but what should I click? Like it says activity, chat, teams, and everything. Application is there.
And there you must be able to see system audio button. There must be some
That is what
buttons
I
there.
was looking for. System audio.
There it should be there in the topmost section.
Hmm. Okay, just a second.
Or else there must be the options available of mic, then video, and there must be the option of screen sharing, right?
You can share your. No, I don't find such options here. The very left hand side, ऊपर मुझे ऐसा है sharing youtube.teamsmicrosoft.com, so I can stop that sharing. That is the only option coming at the tab upstairs. ऊपर सबसे top पे. And I
Can you
have
see something beside the stop presenting? There must be some.
nothing. It is blank. It is not having that options because I'm looking for the same options. 1 minute.
Yes.
General setting.
Or else, ma'am, once again try like stop the sharing, and while you can see the menu of the tabs that are open and you want to share one specific, in that corner there should be an option that include computer audio. When you start to
Okay. I can do that.
try it again.
So I'll go to
Share content, and then within that specific there must be an option include computer sound or something.
keypad, show meeting details, device. Okay, device setting mein they are saying that audios. So custom audio devices may can I go with custom setup?
No, ma'am. While you click on the sharing button screen, and once you click on it, then you will be able to see the various tabs, right? That
Yes,
which one
there
you
are
want to
screen
share.
share, PowerPoint, browse, and
Just
whiteboard such.
Just above, yeah. The desktop window in PowerPoint must be the option, and just above the desktop there should be an option saying that include computer sound.
No, it is not showing that option here. It is simply that those options, and I have this recording wala thing, audio, video, share tray, and more actions. Maybe वो option नहीं है. And the chat and this, that's all. Maybe I'm using the web, that's why.
Yes, ma'am, possible that could be the reason.
It's okay. Don't think so. PowerPoint. Let me see if they have it here. No, it is not even saying in this. Just give me a moment. Okay, or I can do one thing. Please tell me in which section do you all have doubt? Section 1 from 1 to 10, anybody is having any kind of doubt? So meanwhile, I'll fix this. Do one thing. Everybody update their scores, please. How many number of correct answers do you have? Update your scores, please. Please update your scores. Okay. Okay, any other? Only 3 scores are updated yet. 29. That's all. इतने लोगों ने ही solve किया है. No one else? I have only 1, 2, 3, and 4 people solving these things. No one else? Okay, so write down the numbers in which you have doubt. Anything in 1 to 10 or it is all correct? Anything from 1 to 10 or everything is correct? Okay, 18EL010.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा 1 to 10 में कई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 11 to 20 नहीं अंदर?
No, ma'am.
All right. 21 to 32?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
33 to 41?
No, ma'am.
So there is no doubt. You got only 33 correct. That means what went wrong?
Actually, some words, some words.
Okay, so the answers were wrong in that.
I did not write the exact thing.
Okay. But next, the rest of the things were able to do it, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine, not a problem. So I think you know your mistakes, and next person is 18CP010.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what was the thing with you? No doubt in 1 to 41.
મેમ ડાઉટ્સ તો નથી પણ મિસ્ટેક્સ થઈ છે લખવામાં.
Spelling mistakes થયા છે?
સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક્સ નહીં મેમ, પણ સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક નહીં થાય પણ વર્ડ સેમ નથી.
Words same નથી. Okay, could you tell me one of the examples? શું હતું ને તો શું લખ્યું છે?
ફોર્થમાં
Okay, fourth માં શું લખ્યું છે?
નોટ ઇનફ કોન્ટેક્ટ લખ્યું છે અને આન્સર્સમાં બીજું કંઈ છે.
Okay, fourth માં not enough લખ્યું છે. Okay, so
નોટ ઇનફ કોન્ટેક્ટ લખ્યું છે. હા,
એમાં તું ક્વેશ્ચન વાંચીશ એકવાર? ક્વેશ્ચન શું હતું?
difficulties experienced on the course.
Okay, so difficulties experienced on the course. એમાં એને એવું કીધું હતું ને, what kind of difficulty experienced? They speak that well, it has been good, but I enjoyed courses, but I feel there hasn't been enough contact with the lecturers. So you just wrote enough contact, I suppose, but enough contact with whom? Lecturers. તો એમાં મેઇન આન્સર આપણું શું થયો? enough contact થયો કે lecturers થયો?
Lectures.
Right? એવી રીતે વર્ડ પિક કરવાનું હતું. And she also used the term that they all seem to be incredibly busy. એનું મતલબ શું થયું? આપણે એવું બી લખી શકીએ that lecturers too busy, કા તો lecturers busy.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Next.
Yes.
આવી રીતે ભૂલ થઈ છે, right? બીજું કશાકમાં ભૂલ થઈ છે? That you were not able to get the answer?
એટલે બીજામાં બી આવી જ ભૂલ થઈ છે.
Okay, so if you have the way I have made you understand now, just try to understand in the same way so that you know you won't make that mistake again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, bolo શું થયો? 18EL010.
In my answer, I wrote not good food in the second question, but the answer key
Awful.
in answer key or awful food. So
Yes, the thing is, they ask that what do you like about the no any kind of thing that she doesn't like. What is the question? Let me see the question paper of yours. The question says type of accommodation. So she speaks that type of accommodation is student accommodation or student hostel. Any one of them is correct. Now, then she speaks her feelings about the accommodation. So feelings becomes your keyword. Feelings को आपको capture करना था. So what she talks is, she says that sometimes I wish I had the food at the hostel was awful. So awful becomes the feeling, and awful is regarding the food that she is talking. That's why it is awful food as an answer.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, any such doubt in 1 to 10? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then 11 to 20. Any such doubt? What about 17ME404 and 18ME203?
Yes, ma'am.
શેમાં ભૂલ કરી છે?
Yes, ma'am.
મેડમ અમુક વર્ડ્સ સાંભળવામાં ભૂલ કરી હોય અથવા તો મિસ થઈ ગયા હોય એવી રીતે.
એવી રીતે? બટ ઓડિયો ખબર પડી હતી તમને?
હા, 90% ખબર પડે એવું કહી શકે.
ઓકે, તમારે એકવાર ફરી સોલ્વ કરવું પડશે ઇન ધેટ કેસ. એવું હશે તો એક સેક્શન કરીને સોલ્વ કરો, બટ ટ્રાય ટુ સોલ્વ ઇટ અગેન. But was it difficulty to understand the question or to take the question to take the answer from the audio?
No, ma'am. Some words were difficult. The
Okay.
pronunciations were difficult.
Okay, so you have to keep solving. What about 18 ME023?
મેમ સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક થઈ છે.
સ્પેલિંગ મિસ્ટેક થાય છે?
યસ મેમ.
કઈ ડિફિકલ્ટી આયો આન્સર ઓડિયો માંથી આન્સર પિક કરવા માટે?
મેમ બસ સેકન્ડ હતું ને એમાં નોટ ગુડ ફૂડ લખ્યું હતું ઓફરની જગ્યાએ.
હા, મેં એ જ એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું અત્યારે. નોટ ગુડ ફૂડ નહીં આવે,
હા.
ફીલિંગ્સ વર્ડ હતું ને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં. તો what she feel
Yes, ma'am.
about the food? Awful. તો awful તમારું વર્ડ હતું એમાં.
યસ મેમ.
Okay. Thank you, not a problem. But can I ask why only less people have solved this listening? What about rest? Any kind of difficulty of facing to cope up with the lectures or any such things? Yes, if you can talk to me, then I'll be able to take out the solution. This both thing is new for both of us. So you have to share, guys. What is the problem? Listening wala problem I'll fix from next lecture. Let me see what else I can do in listening so that I can take a whole review. Yes.
Ma'am, I can tell you about me. I missed the message, so I wasn't able to solve it. I'll take care of it from the next time.
Not a problem. It's okay. Solve it any which ways. I'll fix this listening wala thing. So next Saturday, I wanted to discuss the schedule for all of you. Now any format won't be like I won't be able to repeat it because now our practice session will start. So any which ways I have to fix it up. Let us discuss the schedule from now onwards. Listening, I'm not going to give let me say I can give you a new one and I'll be solving it all the 40 of it. So make sure that meanwhile you practice it accordingly. So we have this thing. Saturdays, I'm going to take Saturdays we'll be doing with listening and writing task 1. So this is for Saturday. Sunday will be, no, let's say Saturday is listening and writing task 2. Sunday we are going to do with reading and writing task 1. This would be the schedule. It is just now we are remaining with speaking. So speaking, as I asked you all, that let me know if you all will be comfortable to be ready for your speaking. Speaking would be again conducted in Saturdays. Please take a note of it. Saturday, I'm going to conduct your speaking, but that would be conducted before your class. So I need 1 or 2 hours ka buffer time before the class. I have to arrange that speaking. So let's take it 1 hour. It can extend to 4 hours. So your speaking would start from, I can say, before the class or maybe after the class. So it would start from, we have 5 lecture. So let's say I can take it at 4. If this is not appropriate, so 5 to 6 and 6 to 7, we have a class, or it can go after 7 p.m. So half of the students before 5 and half of the students after 7. This would be the schedule that I have taught. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I would distribute the speaking accordingly. How many of you have missed any of the lectures and you have not completed with your format? You have to now manage. You can talk to sir if you can see the recordings and you can learn it again, whatever it is. But this is what the schedule I have taught. Please take a note of it. So I'm going to cover the 3 modules, that is listening and writing task 2. This is Saturday, so listening and writing task 2, whatever task you have to do in listening and writing task 2 would be posted morning after 8 or after 9. Okay, क्योंकि आपको 5 o'clock को lecture में आना है. So make sure that you be ready Saturdays. So Saturday को post हो जाएगा. Sunday का जो reading and writing task होगा वो Saturday evening को post होगा. In that case, if I want, I can also post all of the modules together, but you should make sure कि according to your class what you have to solve. That's why I've given you a schedule. कि Saturday आपको क्या solve करके रखना है and Sunday आपको क्या solve करके रखना है. Solve means writing task 2 and task 1 के case में you have to just do the brainstorming. You have to come up with the ideas. We are going to discuss it together and then you are going to write. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay, I have a message for you. Like, I'll try to download this tomorrow when I come for my class. I'll try to download this. Let me see whether I can see that option in the application or not. Maybe I'm using it in the web. That's why it might be the case. Okay.
Yes. I'll connect with you on. Let you know what it is.
Okay. Not an issue. Yes, not an issue. All right. Any kind of other doubts that you all have?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Saturdays માં બનશે તો જે listening में update કર્યું હતું आज listening નું હું એકવાર review આપીશ because you should know how to take your answers or how to write your answers. It is again necessary. Okay, so let me schedule that how I'm going to do it and I'll come back to you because many of them have not solved and that is not done. We have only Saturdays, Sundays, so make sure that all of you solve and keep it ready. So listening will be fixed, like we'll do the same listening, but I'll give you the review. So जिनको भी clarity नहीं हुई है या there is certain difficulty, it's okay that you can keep it at halt. Saturday I'll solve it for everyone, all 1 to 41 questions. Okay. That will be okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is no other doubt, then I can end this session now. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You can text if there is any other kind of doubt. Thank you for joining this session. Have a good day. Bye, everyone.